Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Ebony, and today I thought I would share my mystery bundle and also everything else that I ordered from Fabric Mart. I was in the middle of actually sewing, but I thought that I would just go ahead and turn my camera on and share this surprise with you guys. Quick disclaimer, you might hear some noise in the background. It's Saturday, everybody's home, everybody's doing their own thing. Just ignore that for now, but let's get into it. All right, so this is the box that it came in. I have it sitting on my lap. Haven't opened it yet. So let's do that now. This video might be in two parts. I ordered a mystery bundle and I also ordered a fabric that I actually needed for projects. So for the sake of not making this video super long, I might cut it down into two parts. All right, so first on top is the bundle, and I'm already in love just based off of like what I first see. Okay. All right, so first let's just do the bundle. Let's do what we came here for. So they put it in a little bag, it looks like. So if you're not familiar with Fabric Mart's mystery bundle, they're $20 and you get 10 yards, and it's different cuts of different mystery fabrics. And so I have no idea what type of fabric is in here, but we're gonna find out together. All right, just gonna put that on the floor. So up first, this is the one that was on top. It's definitely a woven. It is 1.5 yards. Oh, it's cute. It has little parrots on it, it looks like. Cute, cute. Definitely not something that I normally would grab for myself, so this will get me out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to see if it's thin. Oh, yeah, so it is a little sheer. You can see through the window. It's cute. I can see it as like a crab, so maybe like a bag or something like that, or like a tote. But it's really pretty. We're off to a good start. All right, next, let's see. Ooh. Next, we have this butterfly fabric. I love butterflies, so I'm in love with this right off the bat. Let's see. It's definitely a woven, it's not a knit. A little bit see-through, but it's really pretty. This can definitely be a dress or like a top or a skirt. I'm kind of leaning more towards like a button down, kind of like, I don't know if you've seen one of my previous videos, the New Look button down short sleeve. I could see me using that for this. This is really pretty. And then let's see, where's the sticker? I don't think they put a sticker on this one. If I find it later, I'll put it up on the screen and let you guys know. But super cute. Another one that I like. All right, up next, we have this one, another woven. I think I got all wovens, which is nice for me. I'm normally a knits girl. I don't sew with many wovens, so this is good. Let's see if there's a sticker. Oh, this one has a sticker. This one is 3 yards. It's cute. It's like, I don't know if the true color is picking up. It's like fall colors. It's really pretty. I can also see this as like a button down or like a t-shirt, or not a t-shirt dress, a shirt dress. Teeny bit see-through or transparent. Super cute. What a good bundle. Okay. All right. And then think this is the last item. Yeah, so the last one, oh, this is really pretty. So it's 3 yards. And it's like embroidered flowers on it. This is really nice. This can definitely be like some pants. This is cute. I'm like really on a pants kick right now. A lot of the patterns that I've been kind of gravitating towards are bottoms. And so this is actually really perfect for future plans that I have. It has like the embroidered flowers on it. It's cute. All right, so again, I'm probably gonna end the video here and then we'll kick off with part 2 where I share with you the rest of the items that I got. I got a lot of fabric from them, so I have a lot of sewing plans coming up. But if you wanna see part 2, make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think of the bundle, or if you also have ordered bundles before, let me know what your experience was with that. I'll catch you guys in my next upload.